So we have seen SAP MM master data, SAP HR master data, SAP SD master data, SAP SD master data. Now let's also see few master data like PP for PP. So I can go here and see for search for SAP PP master data. So material master data already we have written. And another is bill of material, work center, routing, production, work schedule. Okay, let's write these names. Bob, bill of material is one of the master data for SAP PP. Bill of the material is one of the master data for this one. Next, work center. Material is common, I told you, right? And we can add this one, work center master data, master data. Routing is also one of the master data. Okay, another one we can see. Production. This is what I am telling right now is for the your knowledge only. Actually, you don't require all this, but maybe when you grow with many years of experience, then you have to know at least few things. You cannot be limited yourself only with the SAP MM. Only with the SAP MM, you cannot be limited yourself. Limited yourself, you cannot be. So at least some idea you should have. So that purpose reason only I am explaining about few master data sets. Now we will see the QM, quality management. Let's take SAP QM master data. So in SAP, how many modules are there? Those many master data will be there for independently every module. See here, here in this quality, already quality. So material master is there. Okay, already we have written. Next, let's write a inspection plan. Quality means that quality of the material will be inspected. And you can also see here, vendor is also I covered. Customer, we also see that one. Anyway, let me write here. Vendor material is already covered. So I am writing this one, inspection. Okay, inspection is done. Then sample procedures is done. Quality inspection characteristics. Quality inspection characteristic. Next, quality control keys. Quality control keys. Next, vendor, already I covered. And another final one is the customer. Already we have covered. See here. So you can see here, vendor is picked from MM, material is common from all the places. Like you see, material is common in the MM, material is common in the SD, material is common in the PP, material is common in the QM. Okay, customer, customer is in the SD already. Customer is there, and this customer is also there here. This it is common for both places. Customer is common. Customer data is common in the both places. So in this way, there are many modules. For example, you can see SAP. I have written PS. Let's take a PS. Master data. I won't write this one, just I will show you. That's it. So PS is the one of the module of SAP. So it also has the master datas. What are the master datas? You can see here now. For a See here. What is this one? PS is the project systems. For project systems, work breakdown such structure. Work breakdown such structure is one of the master data. Networks related, it is the one of the master data. Activities is one of the master data. Milestones is the target, which when this project is going to complete, when are the deadlines? See here. Project that mark the completion of the key deliverables. Milestone, which when is your target completion of this target, like that. Material components, like related to the material components, represents the material parts resources are required for this project, which for this project how much material is required, how many people is required to work on this project, like that one. They are linked to the WBS, work breakdown structure. Next one, resources, which how many resources will be working on this particular project, like that. Resources is the project systems. Like you can see here, labor resources, how many machines are required, how much equipments are required, and other assets are required for the project. Like cost element. Cost element means cost elements represents a different type of a cost associated with the projects, such as a labor cost, material cost, subcontracting cost, overhead cost, and expenses. Like, cost elements are used for the budget, basically budget, how much cost it is. So the cost varies for the person to person. Like, if you take salaries, so one person's salary will be less, person's salary will be more. So like labor cost and material cost. Sometimes the same material we purchased from one shop, he will give us 10 rupees. But if you go to the other shop, he will give for the 9 rupees. So material is also that. Subcontracting means I am giving a contract to the outside another person. So I will discuss with him how much I will be giving to him. So there will be a negotiation goes on between me and the contract. So like this way, there are many master data for the PS. So PS also we have seen, correct? And let me write SAP SD master data. Already I have written, but let's see if I missed anything. Customer, I have written. Material, yes, I have written. Yes. Pricing condition, sales office, sales area. These are the master datas. What is it? Pricing condition. If I have missed out, so I can write here. Enter. Pricing condition is the one of the master data. Next, sales organization is the one of the master data. Next, sales area. Sales area is one of the master data. At distribution channel. At distribution channel. Channel. So these very are the master datas for the SAP SD. So SAP HR, SAP MM. Let me also write for the SAP MM master data. Material already have written. Vendor I already written. PIR I have already written. Source list, info record, material groups. So I have already written few things here. You can see vendor, past material, PIR, purchase info record. Okay, here you can see material, vendor, purchase info record, PIR I have record. Next one is source list. So source list also I have written here. Source list here, this one, source list. Add info records, purchase info, add material groups. 1 second. ఖర్చీఫ్ తీసుకురావా అక్కడ నా ప్యాడ్ లో ఉంటది నా ప్యాడ్ లో ఉంటది సిమెంట్ కలర్ ఐఎమ్ సారీ సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద master data for MM. Okay, SAP. Customer, master, material, employee data, financial data. So these are the ABAP master data. ABAP. So customer already we have covered. Material already we have covered. Vendor we have already covered. Employee master data and financial data. And one more important one is SIP FICO master data. It is also one of the important, which finance related. So let's cover this one also. There is no place, but let me add it here. Just move it this side. Because FICO is also very important module. Here. And this is FICO. We call it as a FICO. Chart of accounts. Chart of accounts. Chart of accounts. Second one is GL account, which general ledger account. GL account. Next one is cost elements. Cost elements. Cost center. Cost center. And profit centers. Internal orders. That's it. But there is master data groups. Is this clear? Let me write the different colors. Yes. Is this clear now?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah, yeah. So your question can be like, do we have to learn all these master data? No, not required. We will be learning only one SAP MM related master data. We will be learning only SAP MM master data related. This is just a information for you, as I told you earlier also. Okay. Chart of accounts means, I'll give you one line example. Chart of accounts defines the structure of recording financial transaction. Financial transaction. For India, what is the financial year? Financial year. It starts from April. It starts
April.
from April and
April.
it ends with the March. Okay. So for in this year, how much you have done expenses like assets, how much assets a company has bought or you had bought, what are the liabilities, what are the equities, what are the revenue I got, what are the expenses I have done, and all this, chart of determines the organization financial report. For example, you know that if you are working in any company, right, you are getting a salary. So in your salary, there will be a TDS, tax deduction. So if you want, if you, I mean, if you want that money back, so you have to apply or provide some documents to the company, like what? HRA, or like, if you purchased any electrical bike, they will give us something benefits, tax deduction benefits, or else you can provide some insurance related, or you can provide some mutual funds, or you can provide equities, you can provide, you know, educational bills, you can provide the loans, whatever, if you have taken any loans. So these are like tax assumptions. So that all we provided in the financial year transactions, financial. So that's all related about the chart of accounts. So that's the reason financial accounting, FICO is also one of, see, it is an independent, or even company also. Company also will do the same thing. So company will tell that how much crores of money I got now. Now company, what will do, if I got it 10 crores, what I will do, 10 crores out of 10 crores, 5 crores I have given to the employees as a salary, 5 crores. And what is another one they will do? I paid whole year around 2 crores for this building lease, like power and everything, lease, rental. And again, they will show how many computers they purchased, what is, like, computers, printers, equipments, and any other things, lot many other things. So company will also show some tax exemptions from the government. So that is a company related. This is related to the person independent. Clear? So these are the chart of accounts we covered today. So tomorrow we will see this. How do we look into the vendor? How do we create this vendor in SAP? See here, this vendor. How we will be creating? We will be learning about these things in the another next class. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Before that, let me do one thing. 1 second. 1 second. Let me